Welcome to Four Rivers Career Center. I'm Trevor, this is Danny. We are located in Washington, Missouri and service 11 different schools in our area.
Four Rivers Career Center is a technical school that has various hands-on programs, such as graphic communication, collision repair, automotive technology, building construction, and machine tool.
All of us participate in a night shift program, a volunteer program that is held every Tuesday and Thursday night.
In order to be in this program, you have to be passing all classes, including your sending school and also Four Rivers Career Center. You must be having a 95% attendance or better, and you must not have any negative comments or post. You cannot be getting in trouble at Four Rivers Career Center and your sending school, and cannot miss any homework assignments. That is also not acceptable here. And then you have to be clean shaved.
Night shift is on its 10th year, and we restore tractors to an exceptional quality.
Welcome to our tractor barn. We'll bring our tractors in here in about September, and then when they're finished, we'll completely tear them down piece by piece, and then we'll rebuild them back up to our standards here that we have at Four Rivers. And then come May, the tractor will roll out on its own power. Down in our other shop, Collision, we'll have a paint booth in there where we paint all of our parts, and then we'll bring them back down here and we'll assemble them. And then from there, tractor gets put together.
This is our 1948 Farmall C that we restored last year. We did a nut and bolt restoration on it and competed in a national restoration competition.
This year we will be having tractors featured a John Deere 1949 A, and we will also be doing a Farmall 1951 H. We hope to help you along the way as you do your restoration if you have one of these tractors. Thank you for watching.